Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by connecting NQN to the right server and confirming permissions. This matters because emoji uploads require Manage Emojis or Admin. Once connected, you prepare images at 128 by 128 pixels and keep them under 256 KB so Discord accepts them. Next, open the bot channel or a DM to NQN and type the trigger to begin emoji import. This is the first actionable step. Make sure to name files clearly before upload, because NQN will use those names as you now upload and assign emojis using the NQN upload command, specify the image file, the alias you want, and add an animated flag if it's a GIF. Once uploaded, map aliases to readable short names, keeping them under 32 characters, and lowercase prevents conflicts. After each upload, test by typing :alias in chat. This verifies the emoji renders and animates when expected. If multiple uploads are queued, paste them so Discord rate limits don't block you, and watch for. You finish by organizing emojis and setting a naming convention so users find them quickly. Once done, group them or use prefixes for themes. If the bot hits Discord rate limits, pause, wait 1 to 2 minutes, and retry uploads at a slower pace. This prevents blocked requests. If an emoji fails to render, recheck its file size, format PNG versus GIF, and that NQN still has the needed permissions. Finally, communicate changes to moderators so everyone knows the new aliases.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.